I'm going to be doing problem number 20, which is if A, B, and C are the solutions of the equation x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 14 equals 0, which I have right here, what would the value of 1 over AB plus 1 over AC plus 1 over BC be? So what we have to do is we have to solve for x. So what we're going to do is we have to find out if this factors. And so what you're going to do is take 14 and find the factors of 14, which are going to be 2 and 7 and 1 and 14. And so what I did is I just tried those until I found one that worked, and then I used long division. So x plus 2, and then divide out x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 14. So then you're going to do what makes x cubed, you can do x squared. So that's going to be x cubed plus 2x squared. Subtract those, you get 0 minus 6x squared. Pull down 5, 5x. So then you're going to multiply by negative 6x and get negative 6x squared minus 12x. You'll get 0. You get 7x. So you pull down the 14 and multiply by 7. You get 7x plus 14 is 0. So that's a factor. So then we're going to take our two factors, which is our x squared, as x plus 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 7. So this x squared minus 6x plus 7 does not factor. So to find our, so our first answer is going to be x equals negative 2. So we're going to take base. So we're going to use the quadratic equation to find the other two factors. So it's going to be negative b. Our b here is negative 6, so negative 6 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 6 squared minus 4. A is 1, c is 7 over 2a, which is 1. And so what we're going to get from that is 6 minus plus or minus 2 square root of 2 all over 2, and that simplifies to 3 plus or minus the square root of 2. So those are going to be our other two factors, b and c. 3 plus the square root of 2, 3 minus the square root of 2. So what we're going to do with this is we're trying to find 1 over AB plus 1 over AC plus 1 over BC. So we're going to plug these numbers in that we got. Negative 2 times 3 plus the square root of 2 plus 1 over negative 2, 3 minus the square root of 2, and then plus 1 over 3 plus the square root of 2, 3 minus the square root of 2. And then we're just going to simplify that all down. And so what you're going to want to do is make it so all of the denominators are equal. So you want to do 1 over negative 2 times 3 plus the square root of 2. And then you have to multiply 3 minus the square root of 2 on top and bottom. And then plus 1 over negative 2, 3 minus square root of 2. Multiply top and bottom by 3 plus the square root of 2. And then plus 1 over 3 plus square root of 2. 3 minus the square root of 2. And then you have to multiply the top and bottom by negative 2. So just simplify this all the way down. You're going to get 3 minus the square root of 2 plus 3 plus the square root of 2 minus 2, and all of that goes over, so we're going to simplify this down. we get 9, and then we get the square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2. And so those two cancel out, and then you're gonna the square root of 2 squared. So that's gonna be minus 2. And then all of this is gonna be times -2. So you're gonna get a -9 times 2 is -18, and then -2 times -2 is +4. So the whole bottom is gonna be equal to -14. And then to simplify the top, our square roots of 2 are gonna cancel out. So we have 6 minus 2, which is gonna be 4. So 4 over -14, which we can actually simplify to 2 over -7, which is gonna be what our equation is equal to.